Well, the snow that came through the state last week sent first responders out on many calls, but one in Marshall County was a unique situation. Local 5's Dana Searles tells us more about how these first responders work together on a special delivery.
Well, Stephanie, the unimaginable happened for one family when they went into labor in the middle of a blizzard with no way out. Marshall County first responders worked together to help find a way to bring this baby into the world. While a blizzard made its way through Iowa Saturday night, first responders in Marshall County went above and beyond to help a mother going into labor. The call came in and Sergeant McMillan knew he was going to get there.
The gravel started out, it was immediately I could tell that this was going to be interesting.
Dispatchers stayed on the phone the entire time while Sergeant McMillan drove through the unplowed roads over 20-foot drifts until his car got stuck.
And my vehicle started to act up, slowing me down. The transmission message came up and service transmission, and I just kept going. Eventually, I got stuck in a drift.
McMillan walked a half a mile through the blizzard to find a couple scared and close to giving birth.
I said, no one else is coming. I know an ambulance is on the way, but as far as I know, it's just me and you.
And this night was an all-hands-on-deck effort.
I knew they were going to have trouble getting there, so I decided to set out with the tractor and make my way up there.
Smith first plowed the road to get the ambulance through, then got one ambulance unstuck as well as McMillan's car. 10 minutes after ambulances got there, the baby was born.
I was proud of that moment. When I heard that little baby cry, it was such relief, and you know, a lot of emotions at that moment, and just pure happiness is the only way that I can describe that.
And this moment is something each first responder credits to everyone involved.
I played such a small role in it, and it was awesome to see the wonderful first responders of Marshall County come out, sacrificing their time, their efforts to get to somebody that truly needed help.
The family wanted to remain private, but they say that they feel like the emergency crews are the superheroes. Stephanie?
Oh, indeed. All right. Dana, thank you so much.